Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about for loop in Python. So in this video, we'll see how break statement will work with for loop. Break statement is used to stop the entire execution. So if we want to stop the entire loop, we can use the break statement. Okay, so break is a keyword. It will stop the looping statement. If you're using in the nested loop, it will stop only the inner loop. For example, we have a string input. Txt is equal to Python programming world. So this is our string input. We want to iterate by using for loop for I in txt. Here I represent each and every single character in the string input. Print of I. So it will print each and every character one by one. Okay. So it will print all the character one by one. So we don't want to print all the character. I want to stop the character in any condition. For example, I want to stop when it meet I equal to G. So we have to use if condition with the break statement. So if you are using like that, when it reaches G, it will stop the entire execution. That is the break statement. We are going to discuss about continue with for loop. So how the continue statement will work with the for loop. So the continue statement will skip only the current iteration. It won't skip the entire execution of the for loop. Okay. So only if the condition is met, the particular condition statement alone, it will be skipped. Remaining part will be executed. That is the use of continue statement. For example, I can take this example itself. So instead of break, if I use continue, so what will happen? Other than G character, it will print all the remaining characters. TRO, so it ignore the G character, remaining all the character will be printed. So here also one time G will come, so that G character also will be removed here. Okay, so all the character will be printed other than G character. So that is the use of continue. I hope all of you understand this break and continue. In next video, we'll discuss how to print the prime numbers using for loop. Thank you guys.